Beatles time. Here I stand, head in hand, turning my face to the wall. If she's gone, I can't go on, feeling 2 foot tall. Everywhere people stare, each and every day. I can hear them laugh at me, and I hear them say, hey, hey, you got to hide your love away. Hey, you got to hide your love away. There's a cool old Beatles song, "Hide Your Love Away." Kind of more than the early days, really, but it's when things started changing for them, and they sort of branched out from the more straight up pop stuff to some sort of jingle jangle acoustic and all that. So we're playing in the key of G here, and I'm starting out. I'm using this G here, so I got the third finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, tucking my pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E, so I get that cowboy G. I think that sounds good on this one. So here's how the chords go: G, D, F, G, C, F, C, G, D, F, G, C, F, C, D. So that's the verse form, okay? So here's what it sounds like if I play along, then I'm going to show you the chorus, okay? So the verse form, and I'll play it real slow for you. Here, there's your G, D, F, head in hand, G, C, turn my face, F, C, D, to the, F, C, and then back to G, D, F, G, and then it goes C, F, C, D. Okay, one more time, slow. G, D, F, G, C, F, C, G, D, F, C, G, C, F, C, and then it does a cool little walk down. So there I'm leading with a D string and a D chord, okay? And I'm only using the G and the B string. I'm not the D, G, and B. I'm not using the high E at this moment. It's all down. And then you're going to hit the C note, which is a 3rd fret on the A string. Here's the 3rd fret on the A string. So. Yeah, I like that. We're opening up that G. And then, got it? And then walk that down a half step to the 2nd fret on the A string, and then open. So. Your open A. Slow motion. And you drop into your chorus, which is G, hey, C, and if you can walk it up. You've got to hide. So that's a G note, 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the low E, open A, 2 on the A, and then land on your C chord. You got to hide your love away. And here you're doing a Dsus. Open it up. So what you're doing there is you're doing a regular D chord, and and you're hitting the G note with your pinky, 3rd fret on the high E, then back to D, then open that D chord up, let the high E ring, and then back to the D. So slow motion. Okay? So let's go slowly through that chorus and then I'll play it up to snuff. Hey, you got to hide your love away. Playing it real slow. Hey, you got to hide your love away. Okay, now I'm going to play it up to speed. Hey, you got to hide your love away. Hey, you got to hide your love away. Okay, so that is Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles. By the way, it has a really great, let me get this angle a little better here. It's got a great ending to it where I think it might be recorder. I'm not sure what they're playing there, but it goes. I remember when I first heard that, I thought that's really inventive. You know, they were really I think they were in Abbey Road by then and really, you know, starting to explore different sounds. Great playing by John Lennon, everybody on that one. Great singing, as usual, per Beatles. But if you have any other interest in songs, let me know. Hit me up at jimmydillon.com. I'm happy to accommodate you. And I just wanted to say thanks a lot for, you know, checking out my channel here. And I've been getting some just really fun comments. I love doing this. I really don't know if you can tell, but I love doing it. I'm sitting out here in my house on Maui, you know, just looking out at the ocean and counting my blessings, really, thinking how lucky I am to be able to teach you all and, you know, maybe pass on some knowledge from my years as a professional. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're in Hawaii, check out the Lonely Hearts, Beatles and Beyond. That's I have a little band over here. We're touring the state. We're doing Maui, Big Island, Kauai, the Blue Note on Oahu. But yeah, it's called the Lonely Hearts, Beatles and Beyond. If you're interested, check it out. Until then, I'll see you down the road. Thanks very much.